Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be discussing how I use Canva and how other companies use Canva to their advantage to promote new businesses and to come up with new themes and templates. So using Canva in the marketing industry is very important as it helps you create a brand so people know who you are, create pictures, create launch videos, helping you make reels. So we're just going to go through Canva and how it works. So yeah, let's get started. So first, what you want to do is open up Canva, and you can make an account. As you see here on the right hand side of your screen, I've created my account, and then we can exit out of that. So when you go through Canva, here are some of the lists of templates I've used in the past. They have all sorts on creating brands, creating new pictures for yourself, Instagram reels, helping you with checklists, and also helping you create new ads for companies that you might use. So when you go into Canva, you can use Create Design, or you can upgrade your plan to the premium, which costs $2.99 a month. So with Canva, you can open up and it gives you a list of things you can use. So there's a templates box over here, and it gives you loads of things you can use. We have presentations, Instagram posts, your story, YouTube, flyers, which is really useful for all kinds of companies or brands who want to create adverts for their company. Also for students in marketing as well, who might struggle a bit with using online technology to create their own things or lack inspiration. Canva really has it all here for you. So it's quite easy. If you just want to use a template, you just click into it and press customize template, and then it will open up this template for you here now. So now that we have the template open, it's free to customize for yourself. So if you look over here, we can see all the drop down sides on the left hand side of your screen. So you're able to upload your own images, and just click on that there, and it transfers in, and it's just as simple as that, putting your pictures into wherever you want. You can obviously change it, the colors, you can get it to morph into it with however way you want. So if your company or brand decided that they want a new advertisement done in the morning, as simple as that, you can create it in about 5 seconds, as I'm doing here. So now we just have a new poster created for the morning as soon as your company need it done. And as simple as that, we'll put in one last picture, and as we see here, it is done. You can X out of it, and then there's all editing tools up here. You can add in your own elements, texts, which is handy if you need to put out any information on the flyer. And then up here you will see a toolbar on the right hand side, and you can just press share and download your brand new poster. So thank you for joining us today, and I can't wait to see you again, and I hope this video was helpful. Bye!